Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
I'm about to walk through the National World War I Museum in Kansas City. It holds the largest collection of World War I artifacts in the world, documenting a conflict that reshaped borders, economies, and entire societies. The exhibits move from the global scale of the war down to the personal experiences of those who served and those who waited at home. I'll keep quiet as we walk through and let the objects, documents, and stories speak for themselves.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.